Yeah, we bought a house here around the 2017, 2018 there, here in Osona Village. We were based in Windhoek. So, but the lifestyle of Windhoek and the cost of housing, it's something that pushed that here. The house that we wanted, a 3-bedroom in Windhoek, we could not afford it, so we found one here that was within our affordability. So we just decided to buy one here in Osona Village. So it was good for us to relocate here. Although since we do not have a car of our own, transport was something that we were all worried that the transport cost of commuting, all of us, me and my wife and my children, it was something that we were all concerned. But we were just willing to take a risk because we felt like here it was a bit quiet and they still a bit safe, something like that. So when we came here, we realized that the space behind the house, there was enough space there. So we felt like, why can't we make a small garden for ourselves here so that we can fill in the gap within our budget? That is very much important, considering the cost of vegetables today in our shops. The tomato, these they are of a cost. So we felt like, why can't we, plant some that we can plant in there so that we can, at least relieve much pressure on our budget. So we started with our garden here. We have a tomato here, we have the spinach there, and on this circle where you are looking at now, that's where there was a big mango there. We were expecting that by 2021 we're supposed to have been eating fruit from that mango, but unfortunately the winter, around the June, July, they hit the mango and the mango got dry, and we are back to square number one. And up to today the mango is even struggling even to bring some new branches or something like that. So it was actually located here, and we are planning to and we have a guava here, so we were just trying to bring those key vegetables and fruits that has medical properties that sometimes you can have a cough, you can just take the leaves from the guava, you can take the something like that. So that's how we came to choose trees of that nature, of this nature, like the guava, the mango, and here we have a lemon also. A lemon is very much important, it has a lot of vitamin C. So we felt like vitamin C, it's very crucial to boost the immune system, especially during the flu seasons. Now we are in the midst of the coronavirus, so we felt like, why can't we have a lemon here? That's why we have a lemon. Maybe in a year we might start having fruits out of it. So we are happy we have it here. And here we have our 5 years spinach. The spring onion, it's very useful, as a spice in our, just spice our meat, spice, some just to make the soup sound very well. Just nice. So we have it here. It has been really very, very, very useful to us. Sometimes we and it's growing faster. That's what we like about it. Some of the leaves of these vegetables, you can see they are turning a bit purple. So the heat is too much. That's why they are turning like this. So I hope they will, when the temperature will balance, the rain comes, I think they will be able to recover and they will be nicely green, something like that. 5 years is a very strong, vegetable that is very resistant to heat. So and it stays longer without bringing in seeds and those kind of things. It can just continue growing and growing until somewhere. It's a very nice vegetable. I like it. The other side of the garden, You know, we were trying to put, I was told it was cabbage, but the manner in which it looked like it was very, very, very somehow really that it looked like it was not cabbage, it was not strong, it was not. So we planted here, but it's very hot. It could not survive since we do not have a net, it could not survive the heat, it's too hot. So many of it just got dry and something. So we are planning to replant, something like that. Yes. Yeah, the soil we see is it appears to be of good. It's of good use. It appears to be good for agriculture, for plants and things like that. Even during the winter, not winter but rain season, during rain season, we planted a lot of pumpkin here. They were just growing around this place, all over this place. So it was just growing there, a lot of them. So the ground seems is good for agriculture. For us being here, for us a bonus, having these things around the backyard is so good, and at least we know it's helping us to cover there and there and there and there and there and things like that, to lift much burden from out of our budget. They've been helping us to fill in the gaps, especially when you don't have meat, you don't have whatsoever fish, whatsoever, all those kind of things. We always just go to our garden and take a little bit while we are looking for another month's end or something like that. So it's good to have a garden within the backyard. It will really help a lot, in terms of budget and expenditures, something like that. So that's a good part of being here. Something that is nice is something that I don't regret me being here, although the struggle is there in terms of transport costs and those kind of stuff, but life goes on. It's good all the way to be in the countryside.